Bill arrangements are rules that determine how Sage Timeslips calculates new time and expense charges on a client's bill. Sage Timeslips offers a variety of arrangements using slips, adjustments, and many types of flat fees. This training video will review the available bill arrangements and show the steps of setting one up for a client. From the navigator, switch to the Prepare Billing topic and click Billing Assistant. Switch to Client Brady and view the fees totals. You can see that there are no special bill arrangements set for this client. You can click on the bill arrangement description to jump to the related fields in client information. The Arrangement 1 page opens, where you can review and change the bill arrangement settings. You can set up bill arrangements for fees and costs separately, or covering both fees and costs together. In this example, we will set up a bill arrangement for time charges. We will now review each of the available types of bill arrangements. Click on the link to the right to skip these descriptions. When using slips, the bill will include charges that are taken directly from client's slips. When using Adjust Total Charges, the bill will include charges that are taken directly from client slips and then will apply an adjustment to the total of those charges. When using Adjust by Timekeeper, the bill will include charges that are taken directly from client slips and then will apply one or more adjustments to the charges of specific timekeepers. When using Adjust by Task, the bill will include charges that are taken directly from the client slips and then will apply one or more adjustments to the charges for specific tasks. When using Absolute Flat Fee, the bill will include the amount you specify instead of charges from the client slips. When using Minimum Flat Fee, the bill will include the amount you specify unless the charges from the client slips are greater. When using Maximum Flat Fee, the bill will include the amount you specify unless the charges from the client slips are less. When using Flat Fee Plus Charges, the bill will include the amount you specify in addition to the charges from the client slips. When using Contingency Flat Fee, each bill will show slips but will not include the amount due until you indicate that is the final bill of the arrangement. You can then specify the amount to charge. When using Minimum Hours Flat Fee, you will charge a fixed amount based on the fixed number of hours. If there are more hours, you can charge an additional hourly rate for the extra hours. If there are fewer hours, you can prorate the fee amount. When using Percent Complete Flat Fee, you can divide the fee into phases. Each phase is assigned a percentage of the total fee. The bill will calculate charges based on the percentage complete of each phase. When using Progress Billing Total, you specify an amount of WIP to include on the bill. Slips are hidden until the final bill. When using Progress Billing by Activity, you specify an amount of WIP to include on the bill for each task. Slips are hidden until the final bill. When using Interim Billing Total, you specify an amount of WIP to include on the bill until you indicate the final bill. When using Interim Billing by Activity, you specify an amount of WIP to include on the bill for each task until you indicate the final bill. In this example, we will set up an absolute flat fee for Brady. After selecting the type of bill arrangement to use for the client, click Edit to set up the details of the arrangement. The fields available for the bill arrangement will differ depending on the type of arrangement. Enter the amount of the bill arrangement. In this example, we will charge an absolute flat fee of $300. The duration indicates the number of bills that the bill arrangement covers. Perpetual indicates that the arrangement applies to each bill for the client until you end the arrangement. Number of bills indicates the arrangement applies to each bill for a specific number of bills. Job indicates that this arrangement applies across multiple bills until you indicate the final bill. In this example, the arrangement will apply to the next bill only. You can also add a message for this arrangement that will appear on the bill. In this example, we will enter flat fee for services as agreed. Click OK to save the bill arrangement settings. The Arrangement 1 page now indicates that there is a bill arrangement for time charges. Because you opened client information from the billing assistant, you can save your changes and return to the billing assistant. The billing assistant reflects the changes to the bill arrangement. Here you can review the total from Timeslips and the amount that will be charged on the bill. Close the billing assistant. You can also use reports to review bill arrangement information. In this example, we will view a flat fee analysis report. Open the Client Report group and print the flat fee analysis report to display. This report lists all clients with an active flat fee, comparing actual charges from slips to the amount that will be charged from the flat fee, and showing the difference between the amounts. When you are finished viewing the report, click Done and close the report list. In this example, we will also review how the bill arrangement displays on the bill. Click Generate Bills. Set up client selection fields to print a bill only for Client Brady. Print the bill to display and scroll down to the amount being charged. The bill reflects the bill arrangement amount instead of the amount from slips. Click Done when you are finished reviewing the bill.